Urobo ado ikpakome migwe o. Inye bo mere mesha eve mete egagani mi o ma ejobi. Uge onwane na awale takpare ibietari aivo boromlawa. Nune na awale katakpare ibietari je ke kugbe L vo boromlawa. Our last class we talked about letter I. Today we are going to talk about letter J, K, and L. Letter J sound as ja, je, je, ji, jo, jo, ju. E.g. je, shoes, jo, send, jowo, stop, jora, send him go, juwe, send me. Sentences we have jekere, choose for me. Jekere also means serve for me. Jamekere, serve water for me. Jemukere, serve food for me. Jobruwere, send him or her to me. Letter K sound as ka, ke, ke, ki, ko, ko, ku. E.g. we have kake, fry, ke, give, kere, give me, kenoma, beware, ko, sow, kon, to plant, kwa, pack, kware, pack come, ku, ku, turn, to turn or to turn, kwobiyo, turn it inside, kubiye, to shout for joy, kle ogwa, arrange load, kwame, soaked or surrounded with water, surround with water, koro, pluck or pluck it, karon, lock or lock it, lock or lock it, karon, karo, be at the front. Sentences kobaro kere, be at my front. Koro mamona kere, pluck the fruit for me. Letter L. L sound as la, le, le, li, lo, lo, lu. E.g. we have la, burn or burning, lo, shine, le, pieced, that cloth that pieced up, le, to piece. Now the sentences are erare na la mamo, the flame of the fire is much, or the fire is hot, or the flame of the fire is high. Amwamena le, or amwamena lere, amwamena lere, amwamena lere, my cloth pieced off. That is where I'm going to end today's lecture. I want to appreciate you for following up. Our next class, we are going to talk about the next Urhobo alphabet. So thank you very much, and God bless you as you continue to follow up and learn the Urhobo language, so that Urhobo language will not go to extinction. Thank you very, very much, and God bless you. Bye.